Sir, I have one doubt actually.
Yeah, tell me.
Is any related for SQL Server to learn for this MuleSoft
Sorry.
SQL Server? SQL Server
Yeah,
scripting.
we will use one topic. Okay, we need to insert some records into the database.
Okay, so what I'm saying is the basic SQL scripting is enough, right? So
Yes, yes.
not even creating some procedures like those things.
No, no, no. Just simply I send all these videos. Okay. You don't want to
Okay,
go through all the videos. Okay.
yeah, thanks so much.
Okay. So it is recording, right? Yeah. So very first thing is today you have to enroll with this certification. Come here, just type training.mulesoft.com. Okay. I'm going to share this link with you. Okay, I posted the link. Can someone copy and paste in the group? So as soon as you click on this link, you will come to this page. Here, click on this login and then click on training. Okay, don't click on any one platform, click on training. So once you click on this training, okay, it will ask you credentials. Okay, by default, you don't have credentials, you just click on sign up. Okay, and then you can create account like this. This is for training. Okay, I do have account for this. I already signed up. So directly I will sign in. We need to provide username, password. Click on sign in. Once you click on sign in, so it will show like this. Next, click on the courses.
Sir, we can use same credential for this, right? The Mule.
Yeah, you can try. But for this, you didn't create, right? If you want, you can use same username and password, right? See, then click on courses, this tab. Okay. Once you click on this courses, okay, directly click on this self-phased option, this option. So that see you got only three. One, two, three. So select second one or third one, any one, any point platform development fundamentals or any point platform development Mule 4 for Mule 3 users. Select any one of this link, click on it. Guys, this is very, very important if you want to get voucher. Next, click on register. So it will ask you, do you want to enroll this course session? Yes. See, enrolled in the course session. Click on OK. Okay. As soon as you register this, so you will get this. See here almost 13 sessions will be there, and then one practice exam, one wrap up course. Total 15 will be there. Okay. Next, here what you have to do, just click on this. So here, course updates and issues, just click on this. See, you got tick mark. So like this, you need to get all the tick marks. So this is over, done. Next, click on this. So here you could see some videos and some exercises. Can you see here some videos? Click on this.
Course is designed around a progressive use case. You'll be able
So here they are going to explain, something about, MuleSoft. In this, okay, so you have to see, if you want to listen this video, that is fair enough. If you have time, you can listen this, or else you just go to other tabs. So whatever work you have, you can do that. If you have any office work, you can do that. Okay, then so after completion of whatever the time is there, right, 3 minutes 36 seconds. So don't forward this. If you forward this, if you move like this, you will not get the tick mark. Understood?
Yes.
Okay, so after completion of this 3 minutes 36 seconds, you will get the tick mark. In meanwhile, if you go to your emails, like you can check whatever you want, you can do it. Any other tabs, whatever you want, you can do it. That is up to your wish. Okay, or else if you want to watch that, that is fair enough. Okay.
Sir, sir, before 31st December, actually, that MuleSoft community is sending the mail regarding enrolling the exam. So
Sorry?
enroll, let's say. So before 31st December last
Mhm.
year, so MuleSoft is sending one mail actually regarding exam.
Okay.
And MuleSwag, that is MuleSwag. Okay, if you complete your exam before 31st, you'll get the MuleSwag, something like that.
Correct. You will get
So,
some swag bags. Yeah,
so
already
yes,
my previous students, they got.
okay, so I enrolled as sir. I have pending actually. So after completing this course, actually, I enrolled as well. So I don't need to go through this all because I already in my dashboard already exam is there.
Okay, then directly you can enroll. Okay, I can share dumps
Yes,
today.
yes.
You can go it today itself.
Okay, because there is a two attempt. First attempt, if you we fail,
First
second
attempt only you
attempt.
will clear. Okay, don't worry.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Okay. Fine. So thank you.
Okay.
Important is
So
a
what
TI
is that,
exercise,
sir?
TI practice
I
exam.
didn't understand what you were talking about that.
Sorry?
What is that? What you what he said? I didn't understand. Last December 31st.
No, if they will finish that exam, whatever we
Mm-hmm.
enrolled here,
Okay.
okay, so that they will get one bag, small bag, swag.
Bag. Okay.
That you will get it.
Okay. Mule bags. Huh?
Yes.
Oh, super. We need to complete the certification.
Sorry? Yeah.
We need to complete the certification.
Yeah, if anyone, done that, immediately they will get that swag.
Okay. Can you show me, sir, what is that, if possible?
See, you will get, where is chota one? Evala. This you will get it.
Oh, it's really super. Okay,
Ah.
okay. Thank you.
That's a free of cost.
Okay, okay, great.
Maybe this year also you may get, let's see.
Okay. Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Okay, now I'll come back here. See where we are. Now, which one we opened? 3 minutes one, right? No, it got open something else. Okay. Okay, let me show you simple one. 1 minute or something. Okay, you
39
can see.
seconds.
Yeah, videos will be there, right? You can see this is 55 seconds. So let me show you this. So we need to wait for 55 seconds, then only we will get it. See, after completion of 55 seconds, we got tick mark here. Can you see here?
Yes, sir.
So now again, I'm showing one more example. Let me open other one. Anything. See, so this is 1 minute 36 seconds, right? What I'll do, I'm going to forward this up to here. See, after completion of this, I'll not get tick mark. See, it is completed, right? See, I didn't get any tick mark here. Did you notice?
Yes.
There is no tick mark. So don't forward the video. Okay, if you forward the video, you will not get the tick mark. This you have to remember. Understood?
That means the system won't recognize that we haven't gone through the course properly.
Correct. Yes,
Yeah.
yes. Okay, that will understand very easily. So that is one thing. Second thing, here we have some practice, like daily I'm giving some task, right? Here also they are giving some task. Okay, we need to do that task. Can you see here? Apart from this video symbols, can you see some file symbols here?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So in this, what will happen? For each and every module, we have some task. Okay. Can you see here? Walkthroughs we have. So here they mentioned some approx time. This is the minimum 15 minutes to maximum 45 minutes. Okay. So what you have to do, if you know this task, you can do that. Or else if you don't know, just ignore this. But what you have to do, can you see here? Page 1 of 8, right? Very first thing what you have to do, once you open this, click on next until 8 of 8. Okay, so 8 of 8, last page we are. Okay, now you have to wait more than 15 minutes. Understood?
The minimum 15 minutes we have to wait.
Minimum 15 minutes, but you have to wait 1 more or 2 more minutes extra. More than 15 minutes, I can say.
At least 18 minutes. Let's say 17 to 18 minutes.
Yeah, 17 to 18 minutes. So that what will happen? You will get the tick mark. But
Okay.
here, what is the problem? You should not go to other tab.
Okay.
You have to stay in the same tab in this scenario. If you go to other tab, it will not count the time.
Okay.
So that is the problem. This, okay. So what you have to do whenever, if you are watching TV or something, if you are doing your work, okay. If you have two laptops, okay, one in personal laptop, you just open it. You can do your office work, okay.
What's the minimum, like what's the maximum time it takes like to complete the session, like within like 15, minimum of 15 to 17 minutes? What's the maximum time it will take so that we can plan and sit and do once for all? Like,
See, if you want to finish this entire from, at least this may take 2 to 3 days.
2 to 3 days. Okay. Okay.
Yes, definitely it may take, because we do have so many modules, 13 modules,
Okay.
right?
Okay.
In this, some task maybe it consists of we need to wait more than 30 minutes, 40 minutes. So
Yeah.
this is for 25. This is 20. Like this, so many modules are there. See how many modules are here.
So today, if I log out again tomorrow, can I log in? Same
Oh,
thing will continue.
That's what I was gonna ask. Yes.
yeah, it will continue. But what you have to do, see, suppose you logged in with, this is 40 to 120 minutes. Okay. What will happen? You have to, after 30 minutes, you close it. There is no use. At least finish this.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's get the tick and come out of that.
Ah,
At least.
very good. Yeah.
Not in the middle of that thing.
Not in the middle of the thing. Then
Okay.
I don't know whether how it will treat. It will count it or not. Okay, but I finished in the span of 2 days.
We finish in the span of 2 days. Okay.
Yeah. So once you got, all the tick marks, so at the end you will have practice exam. Okay. This is like our practice matches. How we are going to, for every match there will be practice sessions, right? For football, cricket, and all.
Yes.
So here also, whenever you are going for real exam, you have practice exam. So take test. It consists of 60 questions. So they will provide you 1 minute of time. Can you see? 60 questions will be there. Okay. You have time limit 2 hours.
Okay.
They reduced today. 2 hours only. Okay. 2 hours. Okay. You have to score at least 70%. 70% means 6 7 are 42. Out of 60 questions, you have to tick 42 correct answers.
Do we get any help from you, like answers from the answers and
Yeah,
from you?
answers I already, one of my student, he or she prepared. Okay, practice exam dumps that I can
Okay.
share with you.
Okay. It's not
Okay.
that we have to copy, but just in case we need any help, that's what.
Yeah, if you want to help, what you can do, you can go through with this practice exam dump,
Okay.
so that I can share that as well. Immediately I can share with you
Thank you.
somewhere. Also, okay, I will have a look and I will send it to you this.
So
Yeah.
if we fail, suppose if we fail that exam, can we re-continue?
Yes. See, this practice exam, even though if you fail, you can write n number of times.
But once we go through this course and once we get those dumps and there is no point, there is not, like, we don't need to fail, right? We can in a couple of
Correct.
times.
Yeah, but in practice exam, she prepared almost 42 correct answers. So in
Yes.
that, what will happen, some questions will be same, almost same, little difference will be there for error handling concept.
Bit
So
tricky.
in that, tricky. In that, if you focus, then you can clear the exam. If not, you will get 39, 40, 41. Okay. Only within 1 or 2 marks, you will lose your exam. Okay.
And next time when I have to take the second time, the questions
Ah.
will be the same order. I don't think so. That will
Order
will
may be changed,
but the
okay.
questions will be the same.
Questions will be same. Whatever 60 will be there, same you will get it.
Same 60.
Yeah. Understood?
Okay. Yes.
Okay. So if you
And sir,
complete-
one more thing is there, sir. Actually, in this all the module having last in one quiz is there.
that is what
Three-
I'm saying. That is not quiz. That is the practice exam.
Practice exam.
Ah,
That need to be clear actually.
just now I
So for-
explained this one only.
Yes, yes. So for example, just sir, open it, the designing API. Recently, last call, last we did. So can we get, question how is coming?
Here I already opened, right?
This one. Okay. Very good. Step one. But this question is tough actually. Based on our last two classes, just
So
design.
that's what you're talking. Okay, let
Yes,
me
yes.
open this. Oh my God. Navigation cancel. Okay, let me finish this. It will show fail. Say he got score 0, 0, 0, 0. Why? Because I didn't attend any session. Everything you will get it. You can see here. Okay. So once you complete this session, what will happen? You will get the one tab that is called certification. If you click on this dashboard, see, you need to get the tick marks like this for each and every all this. You have to get like this tick marks. Okay, for all these modules, then only you will get the voucher, or else you will not get the voucher. Okay, so this I don't know how much time you are going to spend on the day. So as soon as you will get the voucher, immediately you can apply for exam. Why? Because I have a most latest dumps so that you can easily clear the exam. Understood?
So what does it mean is that we need to complete this and we need to get the voucher, then we are eligible to go for the exam.
Exam, correct.
Okay.
So here one more question. Whenever you go for exam, okay, they may ask you your ID proof. So suppose ID proof, you can show anything. You can show your Aadhaar card or PAN card or driving license or voter ID, anything. But whatever you are showing, it should match with this your first name and last name.
In my case, do I have to, do I have to use my driver's license because I'm in overseas?
Yeah,
Okay.
no problem. You can use that. But make sure
Okay.
whatever the first name and last name you mentioned in your DL, same, it should match.
All the credentials should match with my ID proof.
Yes, correct. So here first name and last name, we need to match it, mail ID. Okay. And another important thing is time zone. This plays a key role here. Why? Because suppose if you select different time zone, suppose we are all in India, some people are in US, some people are in Australia. Imagine most of them are in India. So instead of this IST time zone, if you select some different time zone, okay, what will happen? Once you schedule the exam, so your assumption is tomorrow morning 9 o'clock is our exam, Indian time. But what will happen if you select different time zone? That it will be vary some hours, right? So that
Yes.
you are going to miss that exam. So there may be chances.
For
Okay?
instance, like if it is 8 o'clock, the class is starting. At my time, it is 1:30. So I may miss it. I may think that it's 8 o'clock in the morning, but it's 1:30. So I may miss the exam.
You may miss the exam. Perfect. Correct.
Can you show me that Australian time for me, please? Which one to select in Australia?
In Australia, Sydney, right?
Melbourne. Melbourne and Sydney
Melbourne.
is the same time. Australian Eastern Standard Time.
Yes.
AEST.
I think it will be there on top. These are all US time zones. Standard.
Sorry,
no,
guys.
No problem.
So it will come in downside, not the percent. Australian Central, see, ACT.
ACT, what is ACT? No, that's Northern Territory. Western Standard Time. AEST, it should be AEST. Australian Eastern Standard Time.
No, go up here.
Here,
Australian Central, yeah.
Central Western Standard.
No, that's Western Standard Time. I need Eastern Standard Time.
You
AEST.
want Eastern? This is
Oh, yeah,
central.
here. No, here. EDT. Canberra, Melbourne, Sydney, Hobart. Yeah.
This one.
Yeah, this
Yeah.
one. Yeah.
You just select.
EDT.
Yeah, Sydney or
okay.
Melbourne.
Yeah.
So in our case, you just go with this. Okay.
Excellent. Thank you.
Okay. So
Yeah.
then this you have to take care of this. Okay. So once as soon as you attended for exam, so they are going to assign one instructor for you. Okay. What this guy will do, your instructor, okay, he will take control on your system. He will take remote control. Okay. He is going to close all the unnecessary tabs. Okay. And if you open any Zoom kind of things, or if you install any other softwares, everything he will close. Okay. For security reason. Second thing
No
is
Google search. No Google search. Or
no
nothing.
Google search. No,
Okay.
because you are going to share your
By the-
screen, right?
Yes.
So
Yes.
that he can watch. See, whenever if I am saying class, if I open this, some other tab, okay, if I type something, you can see right what I'm
Yes.
typing here, so that he can also watch. So you should not go to any other tabs, no Google search, nothing. Okay. Next thing
Basically,
is
it's virtual invigilation.
yes, correct. So once that is done, what will happen? Okay, your screen will be recorded, and at the same time you have to turn on your video. Okay. So while writing the exam, you have to sit in one closed room. In that room, no one should come. If someone will come, if they will notice, immediately they will cancel your exam. Okay.
Yep.
Even though by mistake they will come also, if they will notice, definitely they will close your session. Wherever you are left, they will immediately close it. You will lose the exam. Okay. Make sure whenever you are writing the exam, you just lock the door and inform to them. Okay. So don't disturb to me like after 2 hours, next 2 hours. Like this, you just inform to them. Then in the closed room, okay, there should be no glasses. Glasses is nothing but some people they constructed only with the glass, right?
Yes.
So it should not be like this. It should be some brick wall or something, or some wooden.
But the windows can be right there.
Window one they can accept, nothing will happen.
Okay.
Okay. Second thing is make sure you have proper chair and table. Okay. You cannot sit in the cot. You cannot write the exam. You cannot sit on the sofa. They won't allow you to write the exam.
Proper
There should be a proper table and chair. Okay. If you don't have table, like you will have some wardrobes, right? On top of it, you can keep it, and you can keep one chair. That will also it will work. Okay. So if you want to sit on land, I can write it. If I want to sit on the floor, I can write. They won't accept it. Okay. Make sure you have proper table and chair. Then immediately next step, they may ask you to show the all four corners of your room. Okay. You have to take your laptop. You have to show to the entire room to them. Okay. And the next question is, they may ask you, where is your mobile phone? Okay. They can ask you, they will ask you to open your front cam and you have to show your laptop. Why they are asking? Some people, they are installing some hidden softwares and they are controlling your machines. Okay. That's why they can ask you like that. Next thing is very, very important. They will ask you to keep your
Sir,
phone
one
away.
moment.
Yes.
Sir, we need to show the mobile to the instructor in the front of the camera, right?
Correct. You have to open your front cam of mobile and you have to show your laptop to them.
Okay.
Okay. Once that is
Okay.
done, again they will ask you to keep your mobile away in the same room. Okay. So for that, what you have to do, you have to show to them, okay, where you kept your mobile. Okay. Once you kept that, if they felt everything is okay, then what they will do, they are okay to go with the exam. Once his exam started, okay, now you have 2 hours of time, you can finish that exam. Okay,
A question.
okay.
When we get the voucher, we are able to write the exam straight away, or it's better to wait for the until the course finishes with these 35
No,
days?
don't depend on the course. Okay,
Okay, okay.
if you
We
depend
will,
on the course, what will happen? If questions will be changed, then it is very difficult to crack that exam.
okay. But we will have the knowledge, right, to write the exam without finishing the course?
No, I can share the dumps, right? Question I
Okay,
can
okay.
share, answer I can share.
It's all
Then
like multiple choice, or
yes,
what's the
multiple
document?
choice.
It's all
Same.
multiple choice.
Yeah,
Okay.
I can provide you that answers and questions today itself. Okay.
I was thinking like if they will ask us to create a API
No,
development and deployment.
nothing.
Okay,
All 60 will be multiple questions and answers. Okay,
perfect. Thank you.
understood?
Yep.
So now, okay, here,
Sir, I have one doubt.
yeah,
So
go on.
in the voucher, after finishing the practice session, will we get the voucher?
Correct. You will get after completion of your course, you will get the tick marks, right? Once you got all the tick marks, okay, what will happen? You can clear. You will get the voucher. I will show you. See here, you have self phase, right? So once you clear that, you will get one more tab here. That is called certificate. This tab is there, right? Here you will get one more tab. I can show you one more account I will open. See, just now today I enrolled, right? Where it is? This, right?
Second one, I think.
Not this. This is also enrolled long back, I think. Okay, whatever it may be. Let me open this. See, 3% is done. Okay. Why? Because I finished very little. That's why it is showing only 3%. You have to finish everything, complete 90%. Then only you will get the voucher. Okay. We need to finish all this. Okay. So any mail ID you can provide over there. If you come to profile, it will ask you company name, work name and all. If you are working, see, I wrote abc1@gmail. This is invalid mail. Okay. You have to provide your proper email.
So
And you can
proper
set
email
it-
means the one which I can I provide the email which I created just for the course, or the
Yes,
general
yes.
email?
Anything you can provide, but make
Because
sure
the reason, okay.
you have to remember that mail ID. Understood?
Because the reason I was asking, I was trying to I downloaded
Yeah,
the
understood.
Postman.
Yeah.
I
No
downloaded the
problem. You can
Postman.
use same.
Same. Okay, excellent.
Okay. Now,
Is it mandatory to follow the order, like while
it's
watching
not
the
like
videos?
that. No. That is your wish. First, you can directly jump into the 13th session.
Yeah,
Maybe tomorrow you can jump into 7th session.
yeah.
At the
I
end
wanted
of
to
the day,
finish.
at the end of the day, you have to finish entire course. That's it.
Okay, cool.
Okay.
And Kishore, are you able to edit these fields like first name, last name, so or before
Yes,
only
you
web
can do
names
that.
are-
You can do that. You can do
Okay, yeah, that's what I mean. It was in the gray state. Okay.
You can
So I
do
think
that.
once we complete also, before going to exam, we can update all these things.
Before exam. Yeah, that's what. And giving instructions. Why? Because you don't want to lose the voucher. So that's
Okay.
why I already faced these issues. So
Mhm.
that's why I'm explaining to you guys. Okay. And okay, I can show you once you enroll this. Okay, once you finish all this, you will get this link, right? Certification. Okay.
Sir,
how
if
will-
you allow me, sir, I can share within 2 seconds, sir. Give me 2 seconds. I can share my screen. So very clear idea they will get at least.
that's
I
what
have ready.
I can show
have
you.
ready.
Okay. I do
Okay.
have other
Oh,
account. I'll
Okay,
open.
okay, sir.
Okay. Guys, others go on mute.
Sir, we have to do any one of the 3 courses, right?
Two, only two.
Okay. Only 2.
Are you able to see my screen?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So here you got self phase, right? I told you, right? After that, you will get the tab that is called certification exam. Click on this certification exam. So you will get like this. MuleSoft certified developer MCD level 1. Okay. So once you got this, okay, you will get 3 things like this. Okay. here you can schedule your exam. Okay, I already scheduled exam for next Saturday. This is for architect level. Okay, but MCD level 1 I clear. If you open this, so you can click on this view result.
This is the exam we're going to write after voucher.
Yes, after voucher you have to write this. See, MuleSoft certified developer level 1 pass. Okay, so this is my score. Okay, I spent how much time? 23 minutes I spent for this exam. Usually we will get 2 hours. 60 questions I attempted. Okay, so last year May I wrote this exam. Okay, so I started 10:22, 10:46 my exam got completed. Okay,
Now it's 1 hour and 20 minutes.
yeah, no, earlier also 1 hour 20 minutes, but I finished in the span of 23 seconds. 23
It
minutes.
doesn't take you that long even.
Sorry,
It wouldn't take that long even.
go one by one. Sorry,
I say it wouldn't take that long even with the answer you gave us. It's just fast. They will
yes,
finish.
correct. Yeah, you don't want to go with the you just go with the my questions and answers so that you can crack the exam very easily. Okay,
Any negative marking?
no negative here. See, if you didn't miss, you will get less score. See, processing records, I got only 50%. Maybe if they give 4 questions, I wrote only 2 correct answers, remaining 2 got wrong. So that's why I got 50. Like this. See here 83, here 100, 100, 100, like this, 83, 75, 80.
Different components.
100, 100. Yeah, that depends on. Okay.
For the practice sessions, you said a number of times you can attend, right?
Yes. For main exam,
What
you can
about
attend
this,
two times. For the
times.
main
After
exam. After that, you will not get the voucher. You have to buy. You have to pay some extra money, $125 or $100 something.
Okay.
This voucher will be valid twice. Okay. MCD level 1 you will get like this. Here you will get all these options. Since I already completed, I have this option, view result. See here you have schedule option. Click on this and you can schedule. I already scheduled. Okay, you can select the convenient time, convenient date, whatever you want. Okay, see, suppose if I want to reschedule my exam to next Sunday. Okay, I'll click on find available times. It will display the list of times. See, it will start midnight in the 1:20. Okay, so from 1:20 to slots will be there. So many slots will be there. Whatever the convenient time you have, you just select it. Okay.
Sorry to asking again. Once we completed the test 60 questions, within the how many days we need to complete this one, this level 1 exam?
That is your wish, boss. Like you will get the voucher immediately. So this voucher will be valid for 1 year, I guess.
Okay.
So anytime you can complete. But if you have questions and answers, very next day only you have to schedule it. Understood?
Yeah.
Why? Because if questions will be changed, you cannot pass next time.
Just we need
to get rid of the exam.
Simply you will lose the exam.
Sir, one question.
Yeah.
Sir, one question. The MCD level validity is only 1 year.
Sorry.
Each every year need to MCD level validation. Validity.
2 years. 2 years.
Every 2 years need to write the exam.
Yes.
Okay.
So that is up to your wish. Once you done certification once, that is fair enough. Again, you don't want to write. Okay. See, now you are planning to write MCD level 1, so that
yes, right.
So you will get the job. Okay. After completion of 2 years or 3 years, what they will do if you are performing well, they will promote you. Okay.
Okay.
So they will tell you. Okay. So hey, you just today like this month you can go with this training money. You can go with MCD. Sorry, MCIR and CPA. Okay, they will only suggest. Okay.
Okay.
Then what
Okay.
will happen? They will provide one training for you. MCIA. MCIA is nothing but MuleSoft Certified Integration Architect.
Okay. Okay.
You can see here. I'll show you. See, MCIA. Okay, MCIA. If you want to do this course, this is a 5 days course. Okay. For 5 days, they are charging $6,250. That means almost it is equal to in Indian currency 4.5 lakh.
Okay.
Okay, for 5 days you have to spend this much of money.
But your employer is providing for free of cost, then there is no cost at all.
Yes, yes. Your employer, he will provide you free of cost. Because your employer, he is one of the vendor to MuleSoft. Because he brought some license, right?
Yes, right.
So once he brought this license, what will happen? He will get some FTC. FTC means some points he will get it. Company.
Okay.
Depends upon the purchase, they will get some credits. Okay. In that credits, what will happen? They are going to assign some credits to you.
Okay. Okay.
Even they don't want to, they won't pay this 4 lakhs to them. Okay.
Okay. Yeah, understood.
Even if the employer requires you, they won't worry about the cost involved. They might
they
get you to
will
work
pay.
done.
Correct. They will pay. Or else some of the organization, what will happen, whatever the cost will be there, that you have to bear it. You have to pay in your pocket. Once you clear the exam, if you share that certification to them, they can reimburse you that amount.
Yeah, right.
Either way, it will happen. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
And
This
how
is very,
to
very.
implement, I'm sorry. Once you get the voucher, how to use that voucher?
Just now I showed you, right? You just go there, click on a schedule. You can schedule the exam.
Okay. 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 Then.
That's it.
I thought you do some code is once the voucher.
No code, nothing. Once you got, voucher
Mm-hmm.
means already you received a voucher. You don't want to apply any code. Directly you can schedule the exam. So that will be valid for 2 times.
Okay. Okay. Understood. Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay. Okay, guys. Any other questions?
Yes, sir. Sir, see that MuleSoft committee, they are conducting that one. What do you call
Meetups.
Meetups, yes. They are giving also vouchers. So
yes, but anyway, you are getting free of cost, right? See, that voucher you will not get free of cost. Why? Because not free, free only you will get it. But you have to answer the correct very short time.
Yes.
Then only you will get.
Yes.
I can help you after some classes. I can show you how to attend the meetups and all everything. Okay. Or else right away I can show you. You just come here, just type MuleSoft meetups. You just click on this. See here, some groups will be there. Okay, meetups for meetups. You just click on this, find groups. So where you are, based on your area, you just select the region. See, these many meetups will be there. Okay, you can enroll in any one of the, not only anyone. Okay, as much as possible you can log in. See, suppose I want to log in with Ongole meetup. Okay, so join us. So it will ask you your credentials. You have to provide this credentials. Okay, it will show invalid, I know. Okay, so like this you have to log in. Once you log in this, what will happen? So that they will take one topic and they are going to demonstrate on this. See, daily I'm explaining one topic, right? Okay. Like this, they will take one topic and they will explain you. Okay. So many people will participated on this meetup. Then what will happen? At the end of the class, they will ask you few questions. Okay. They will ask you 5 questions. If you answer 3 questions very quickly, okay, first 3 members, they will get the voucher. Sometimes they will get some t-shirts. Sometimes they will get some mugs. Like this, depends upon the organizer. Understood? So once you learn this MuleSoft, once you are familiar with this, I can you can become a meetup leader. See, organizer, like, see, you know this guy.
Yes, sir. Yes, this is the younger one.
He is the world youngest MuleSoft developer.
Youngest MuleSoft. Yes.
He don't have not even 15 years. Okay, he completed this MuleSoft exam.
11 year, I think.
You can see here. He is giving classes now. See, he created one company and he gave some training on to other students, and he started one company as well. So in his age, even we don't know what is computer.
Right.
I used my mobile at the age of 22. That time I don't know what is mobile. I don't know how to use that mobile also. That okay. This guy cracked the See, after seeing his post only, I attended that exam. Earlier, I don't have any thoughts to give level 1 exam or level 3 and all. Okay. He's the world developer.
But sir, last year in May, you cleared the level 1 actually, that developer.
Yes.
And now, till now, not tried for that one, architect.
Just now I applied, right?
Yes, I saw that. Yes.
Yeah.
Just now, okay.
Same rating. That again depends on the organization. Everyone will not get that opportunity.
Right.
If we are performing well in the organization, then only they will nominate you for trainings.
That means your employer is asking you to do this course for.
Not employer, like our manager.
Oh, yeah, your manager.
Yeah, manager or account head or director, someone.
Okay.
They will have very few points, right? In
Yes.
my company, I'm not the only developer. So many developers will be there. Okay. But for each and everyone, they won't get this opportunity. Correct?
Depends upon your caliber.
If you are performing very well, okay, then only they will give you these kind of options to us. Okay, at the same time, we have to utilize that option. Understood?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, how long we can sustain with your dump material?
That I'm not sure, man. If they'll change tomorrow, I cannot do anything, right?
Okay.
That means it's better to do as early as possible.
Better finish as much as possible. Okay. So this is very, very important. That's why I took, complete 1 hour session. Okay. So from now onwards, after this class, immediately you can enroll this exam. You can start and finish within 2 to 3 days. Maximum this weekend, you can try to attend the exam. I can share you all the questions and answers. Okay. I can tell you how to remember that question. Okay. Just by heart only answers. Don't see the question.
Oh.
Just remember the answers. Once you go for exam, same answers you can see, so that you can directly put it.
Yes, but there are also questions very confusing, sir. Some of the questions.
No, only at least 2 or 3. Nothing will happen.
2, 3. So okay.
Okay.
There is no such tricky questions are not available.
Correct. So all will be straightforward. You just remember that question and you can put the answer. That's it.
Okay.
I think
You're
first
going to share the dump straight away, right, after this class, so that we can just.
Yeah, I can share you today. Okay.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Okay, guys. Any other questions?
No, sir. Thank you.
So tomorrow onwards, we will start our actual class. This is very, very important. So that's why to complete 1 hour. Okay.
Sir, at least just open it, that one. At least we'll get the idea.
Which one?
Course 1 questions, 4-5 questions. Because last two classes we've done API designing related, how question is coming.
You can see there. Okay, we will come to know.
Where?
Okay. Okay, guys. We'll catch up tomorrow. Any other questions?
What is the
so
time
like-
gap between practice test and real one?
That is your wish, boss. Like once you finish that, you will get the voucher. Very next day also you can attend the main exam.
Okay, how long will that we can hold that?
Means that will be valid of up to a year.
Okay.
But if you write
so
after
like
2 months, can you show me one more time how to enroll? I told you, right? Just log into training.mulesub.com. Okay, click on login. In this login, click on training. So it will ask you credentials. Okay. So you click here, courses. Click on self-paged free.
Second or third one.
Second or third one, you can select it. That's it. Either this or this. Click on this, enroll it. Register. Okay. So click on register.
So I have one doubt. So simply any point platform development and Mule 4 and Mule 3, will it be the questions the
It
time
will be
says
same.
it is okay. The
It
time
will be
it says like 3 days and 5 days. So
No, that
it
is for
mandatory to complete?
instructor. No. That is for instructor level if you go with this. Okay. Anyone you can take, you will get the voucher.
You get either of the one, right? Either 3 or either second or third one. We don't need to click two.
Correct.
Okay.
Anyone you can take.
So the question and answers will be the same. at the
Yeah,
end.
it will be same.
Okay, cool. Thank you.
This
Got
is
a
for
very quick-
getting the voucher.
I got a very quick question. The last one. I tried to practice yesterday creating API because I didn't had a chance to do that yesterday, day before yesterday.
Okay.
I had a little bit of trouble because my background is not IT.
Yes,
So-
correct. Initially,
so-
what will happen, let me explain you. Initially, you
Okay.
will get some errors
Yes.
because you will
That's-
miss some indentation and all.
Okay.
You just go through my recording again. Okay.
Again and again. Okay.
Again and again, so that you can clear that.
The only thing I'm confused is like leaving a response like message not found or something like it's going to
That
the
you
next
can give
line.
anything.
That can give anything.
You can give hey, hello, Nagesh. Like this, you can give. Nothing will happen. Just
Nothing happen.
ultimately, that is everything is dummy. Whatever we are providing. Okay, you can keep it anything.
But if I start creating as many APIs, I'll get more confidence, right?
Correct. Once you practice 3 to 4 classes, it will be handy for you so that you will come to know which place you want to write which one.
Okay. I
So
don't
we
need to worry.
completed hardly 1 class, right?
Yes.
So apart from this, we are discussing some other things. So that's why you didn't get much focus on it. But tomorrow onwards, so next Monday, I can promise you, you guys, if you practice next Monday, you guys very familiar with this design. Okay.
Okay.
I can make you like that.
Thank you.
Okay, guys. Then
So
we'll
the
catch up.
one question.
One question, Kishore.
Yes.
One. You're going to share the dumps.
I said
written
I
exam?
already. I'm going to share you. Okay.
Both dumps, right?
Both I can share. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Other one.
Yeah, same question, Kishore.
Yeah, I can share it. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, guys. I need to attend one meeting. Okay. Thanks all.
Thank you. Bye.
Yep.